Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at some beautiful creative fair sewing projects. Those handmade sewing ideas are great for gifts, home decoration, selling at craft fair. You will see a simple project, useful items and lovely design that can inspire your next sewing project. If you are new to sewing, start with easy project. Take your time, enjoy the process. Small projects can help you learn new skills and build your confidence. Another good tips is to choose a colors and fabric that look nice together. Clear sewing and neat finishing can make even a simple project look special. Remember, you did not need expensive tools to create something beautiful. With practice, patience, and creativity, you can make an amazing handmade item that people will love. As you are watching, think about which project you would like to make for yourself, your family, even to sell at a craft fair. Which project is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more sewing idea, crafts projects, creativity, inspiration. And thanks for watching. I enjoyed this video.